Welcome to the Fast Track Guide for Skill 28. This skill focuses on performing stakeholder analysis to deeply understand system requirements and develop strong client relationships. Your ultimate goal here is to uncover what the business truly needs to succeed, rather than just blindly building what they initially ask for. The biggest trap junior consultants fall into is taking surface-level feature requests at face value without ever questioning the underlying business motivation. The fix is to systematically map out the people involved, ask probing, investigative questions, and use that process to build deep professional trust. To start, you must identify everyone involved. Use a concentric circles approach to map the core team, the direct users, the indirectly affected departments, and any external regulators. Once identified, analyze their influence using a power interest grid to categorize how you will manage them. Those with high power and high interest are your key players. You must manage their strategic requirements incredibly closely. Those with low power but high interest are your end users. You must engage them deeply, as they hold the absolute truth regarding the daily operational realities the system must support. When gathering requirements, use the onion model. You must peel back their initial, stated need, to discover the core, unspoken motivation, driving the request. To do this, avoid closed questions. Never ask a stakeholder if they want a specific technical feature like a PDF button. Instead, use open-ended questions. Ask them to tell you a story, such as, "Tell me about your current reporting process." When they answer, deploy the 5 whys technique. Repeatedly and politely ask, why, until you drill past the symptoms and uncover the true root cause of their business pain. For your portfolio, you can use this STARR example. Situation: the business leadership requested the implementation of a generic new CRM system. Task: my task was to perform a comprehensive stakeholder analysis to define the specific, granular functional requirements. Action: I demonstrated S28 by mapping all user groups on a power interest grid and conducting targeted interviews using the 5 whys technique. Result: I successfully identified 3 distinct user personas with conflicting needs, which fundamentally transformed and focused the project scope. Reflection: I learned that deep stakeholder engagement is the only reliable way to prevent making costly, incorrect assumptions about system requirements. If you are doing your major project, S28 is the foundation of your Stakeholder Analysis and Requirements chapter. You must include visual evidence. Include a visual stakeholder map, such as a RACI matrix or a power interest grid, directly in your report. You must also prove strict traceability. Show the assessor exactly how a specific stakeholder interview directly influenced your final system design. Why? Because documenting this clearly demonstrates that you build user-centric systems designed to solve real business problems, rather than just conducting technical experiments. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you now feel more confident in mastering this topic. If you found value in this session, I have a small favor to ask. Please hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and follow our channel. It really means a lot to me and helps the algorithm show these lessons to other apprentices, just like you, who need support. Don't forget, you can download today's slides and the full transcript at www.mentorinai.com EPAHUB. While you are there, check out our mock interview and portfolio review services to make sure you are fully ready for your EPA. See you in the next video. Keep learning.